What's the meaning of aloe vera? Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera.
Aloe vera is a plant species known for its healing properties. The thick and fleshy leaves of the plant contain a clear gel-like substance that can be used topically to treat various skin conditions, such as sunburns, cuts, and insect bites. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and antimicrobial properties that can promote wound healing and reduce the risk of infection. Ingesting aloe vera juice may also provide health benefits such as improving digestion and boosting the immune system. Overall, aloe vera is a versatile plant that can offer various health benefits when used properly.